Alright, so you want to throw the perfect BBQ? Let me walk you through exactly how I get it done, step by step. First up, the grill, charcoal, gas, make sure it's clean. I grab a sturdy grill brush and give those grates a good scrub. Wipe them down with a little oil. That stops the food from sticking later. Charcoal fans, here's the trick. Pile your coals in a mound. Light them up. Let them get ashy. About 15 minutes. Gas folks, preheat your grill on high for 10 minutes. Lid down. That heat is what gets those beautiful sear marks. While the grill's heating up, let's talk prep. I always start with the meat. Steaks, chicken, burgers. Take it out of the fridge about 30 minutes before grilling. That way it cooks evenly. Pat it dry. Season generously with salt, pepper, maybe a little garlic powder if you're into that. Don't forget the sides. Corn on the cob, peppers, onions, pineapple slices. Toss them with a bit of olive oil. Salt, pepper. Simple is best. Alright, back to the grill. For steaks, I go high heat, a few minutes per side. Don't move them around too much. You want those grill lines, right? Chicken, keep it on medium heat so it cooks through without burning. For burgers, a little indentation in the middle keeps them from puffing up. Veggies go on the cooler side of the grill, just until they're tender and charred in spots. Flip them once, don't overthink it. Here's a pro tip. Don't press down on your burgers or meats. That just squeezes out all the juicy goodness. And always let your meat rest a few minutes before serving. Locks in the flavor, I promise. While everything's grilling, I throw together a quick sauce or two. Maybe a spicy mayo, or a classic BBQ glaze. Nothing fancy, just something to dip or drizzle. Now for the fun part, serve it up. Pile everything on a big platter, let folks grab what they like. Add some cold drinks, maybe a quick salad. You're officially the BBQ hero. So there you go. Clean grill, hot fire, simple prep, and a little patience. BBQ magic every time. If you've got questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments. Happy grilling! Clean grill, hot fire, simple prep, a little patience, BBQ magic every time. Happy grilling! If you've got questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments.